So guys, we are here at the Clarion Inn. Let's go check out the lobby and the entrance. Oh, it's cutely placed up with Halloween stuff. Very cute. Now let's get inside. We go in. We're welcomed by trees and decor. And here's the front lobby. Very nice.
Whisper quiet here.
Front desk. Gonna have a seat here. And then there's where you can sit and have a drink. Pretty nice. I love the chandeliers. And voila. The staff here has been great so far. And there we go. Boom. So, coming up from the lobby to the second floor, you have rooms like this, which they look like they're outdoor rooms, but they're actually indoor. They're really cute. There we go. We turn, and there's more of them. And unfortunately, they don't have an indoor pool, but if it was summer, they have a really pretty outdoor pool. It looks pretty clean. Too bad it's not warm enough to be in it, because it looks sparkly clean. Anyway, so thought I'd show you these cute little indoor-outdoor rooms. And then they have cool wallpaper leading to our room. Really different hotel. Alright guys, so here we are. Let's get inside.
First time at a Clarion Inn.
Holy heck. I have to give a shout out to Ronald at the front desk. He was a delight. And this is the bathroom. Really nicely redone. I have to say, we went to California and none of them looked quite as clean and as nice as this hotel room. It's small, but it does the job and it's clean and new. So from there, I just banged into a wall. There's a mirror. And there is a bench, which is always cool. Put our luggage under the bench. We're only here for 2 days, but it's all good. And big, I think it's a 50-inch TV. Coffee and teas under here. It's coming off a little dark, but here we go. And then there's lamps, and a nice little leather chair. Ooh, that looks really comfy. I gotta get one for the house. And another leather seat and the pull-out sofa. And lamps on each side that you can close. King size bed. Looks very nice. And then we also got this. Oh, how pretty. Everything looks very elegant. Wallpaper's cool. So far, very happy. Very happy with the room. Very big room. I can Can do a cartwheel in here. So there we are. We will show you the breakfast tomorrow. If there is a breakfast. I'm not sure. All right. We'll let you know how the bed is, if it's comfy or not. See you back here later. All right, guys. So it is morning and our sleep was really good.
Great night's sleep. The bed was comfy.
Yes.
Pillows were comfy.
Yes.
The blankets and the comforter were comfy.
Yep.
A little noisy in the hallways, but that's not the hotel's fault.
No.
That's more the guests acting like animals and their kids.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they should
Screeching.
They should leave their kids at home. You know, if they're smart.
Stop it. No.
No,
I
these
mean,
are screaming kids that need to be told to stop screaming in the hallways with the doors wide open. This has no reflection on the Clarion at all. It's our first time staying at a Clarion Inn, and it's a choice hotel, and it's highly recommended, guys.
Yes, it's beautiful. If it was summer, the pool is great, as you can see. The staff, oh my God, they're so friendly, so accommodating.
The housekeeping do a great job. Yep. The room was immaculate.
Yes.
And at the breakfast this morning, when they seen us, they asked us if we needed anything to let them know. I believe the housekeeping also take care of the breakfast, help out with the breakfast. So that's why I recognize the same woman as yesterday. Which her name was, do you remember?
I think it's Dorian. Dorian.
And we had Ronald at the front desk, which was great. So yeah, Clarion Inn in Nashua.
New Hampshire, 2 thumbs up, recommended. Come and see these guys.
Especially if you're coming here and you want to be close to Fright Kingdom, you want to be close to the dark woods, 2 great haunts.
Yes.
Spooky world as well is about a 20-minute ride from here. You're and the outlets.
And the outlets.
You're centrally located. So guys, come and visit Clarion Inn. Thanks for watching.